Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free AutoCAD courses that are available online and different e-learning platforms. So we'll see the courses one by one. Before we see the courses, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And you can also check out the free offers page if special offers page if you want to get some discounts on popular courses. So let's get into the content now. So the first one is available in tutorialspoint, which is AutoCAD comprehensive training lectures free. And in this course you have more than 14 hours high quality video content, and you have 22 lectures. And once you enroll in, you will get a full lifetime access to the courses, and after completing the course you will get a certificate of completion. And as I said, this is a free course, you don't have to pay for anything. You can just create your account in tutorialspoint and you can just click on this enroll course button and you can straight away start learning for free. And you will learn how to create 2D drawings using AutoCAD in this course, and you will just need a laptop or PC to enroll in this course. And here they have given the course content, everything is given here, you can just go through it. So let's move to the next one now, which is offered by Autodesk Design Academy themselves. So these are just free video trainings available in their platform. You can just choose your level here, like beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and then you can just go through the videos. These are available for free. You can just make use of it. You can just click on it. You can just choose the level and just choose the topic which you want to learn. So you can just go through all these videos. You will not get a certificate, but it will be very useful because it directly comes from the Autodesk themselves. So this is the second resource. Third one is again back to tutorialspoint, AutoCAD 2020 Advanced and Comprehensive Training. And in this course, you will learn how to create both 2D as well as 3D drawings or modeling using AutoCAD. And if you have that basic engineering drawing and graphics knowledge, you can get the best value out of this course. And you have more than 3 hours on demand video for this course, and you have 16 lectures. Once you enroll in, you will get full lifetime access, as I said, and you will also get a certificate of completion for this course as well. And it's a free course, as I said. Just log into tutorialspoint and click on this enroll course button and start learning for free. So let's move to the next one now, which is AutoCAD Electrical from beginner to expert. So a lot of students have been requesting for this AutoCAD Electrical course. I hope you guys are watching this video. Just make use of this. This is a complete beginner to expert level course in which you have more than 3 hours on demand video, and you have 7 lectures, and you will get a full lifetime access and a certificate of completion as well. And it's a free course, and you will learn everything that you need to get into AutoCAD Electrical. So you can do your own projects. Everything is given here, what are the things that you'll be learning. So everything is listed here, you can just go through it. So this is the fourth resource which we have seen in this video, and it is related to AutoCAD Electrical. So let's move on to the next one now, which is learn AutoCAD Electrical. And again, this is also an AutoCAD Electrical course, and you have 8 lectures which will account for more than 3 hours 56 minutes of high quality videos. And it's a free course, and you can get a lifetime access once you enroll in, but you will not get a certificate after completing this course. But you can get every content for free of cost. You don't have to pay for anything. As you can see, it is free of cost. So in this course you will get a lot of things related to AutoCAD Electrical. You will be learning about that. So you will need a basic knowledge of computer as well as AutoCAD software before you enroll in this course. And all other things like project manager functions, IEC electrical circuit, all these things will be covered in this course. You can just see the course content here. So let's move on to the next free resource now, which is AutoCAD 2D and 3D practice drawings. And in this course you have more than 5 hours on demand video, that is nearly equal to 6 hours, 5 hours 52 minutes, and more than 1,06,000 students have enrolled in it so far, and it has a very good rating of 4.5 from 5,803 ratings. This is not an easy task, at least it's not easy to get it for a free course. As you can see here, it's available for free, and here they have given what you'll be learning. So you will learn to make a 2D and 3D engineering drawings. You will familiarize themselves with application of AutoCAD tools, and you will learn about the use of advanced 3D modeling tools. And here they have given the course content. what are the requirements, description, everything is given here, and you can see about the reviews, instructor, everything is listed here. You can just go through it. So let's move on to the next free resource now, which is available in Skillshare platform. So AutoCAD course from beginner to certified is the free course available in Skillshare to learn AutoCAD. You have 11 lessons in this course, which will account for 55 minutes of content. So if you just see here, all other lessons, so apart from lesson 1 is locked. If you click on lesson 2, you will see something like this: sign up for free to continue this class. So you can just click on this sign up and sign up button and create your account in Skillshare and start learning for free. And it might be a cumbersome process to create an account in Skillshare. Sometimes you might face a little bit of trouble. I'll leave another link in description through which you can get to know how to create a free account in Skillshare. So this is another course. You have 11 lessons and nearly 1 hour of content. And if you scroll down, you can see about the instructor and the class. All of the details are given here. So let's move on to the next free resource now, which is a free AutoCAD video tutorial series, which is provided by Ancestrycom. So they provide all these video tutorials for free of cost. So you can see here: introduction to AutoCAD, creative drawings, creating drawings, modifying and manipulating drawings. All other topics are covered here. Tools, text, everything is given here. You can just click on the topic and watch the video, whichever that you want. So this is another free resource given by Ancestrycom to learn AutoCAD. Let's move on to the next one now, which is the complete AutoCAD 2020 learning course, which is available in Hindi language in Skillshare platform. You have 28 lessons in this course, and it accounts for 1 hour 58 minutes of content. And if you see here, all other videos apart from video 1 is locked. As I said in the previous course, you can just click on it and you will see a sign up button here. Just click on it and create your free account in Skillshare and start learning for free. And if you face any trouble in creating your free account in Skillshare, just let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you. So let's move on to the last and final resource now, which is AutoCAD course available in Learn One. And again, this course is available in Hindi language. So it's a free of cost program. You can just enroll in it. You can just create your account in Learn One and just enroll in this course by clicking on this button given here, enroll now for free. You have more than 12 hours of on-demand video for this course. You have one exercise to complete in this course, and once you enroll in, you will get a full lifetime access. So here they have given the course curriculum and overview. Everything is given here. You can just go through it. So all the topics that you need to learn in AutoCAD is covered in this particular course. As it is a long one, more than 12 hours of on-demand video available for you. So that's it for this video. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.